Hello, viewers, and welcome to that guy who can't decide whether or not he actually wants a goatee or not. Alright, so, welcome, viewers of the Spellry. Now, one thing before I get going is that I've been having some trouble getting stuff uploaded. And I don't think it's anything to do with me. I think just like the internet is being clogged up. We were having some issues with slow internet for a while. Don't know if that has something to do with it or not, but sorry for this video not coming out sooner. We got 8 views, which since I'm in the process of trying to renew my other channel, but unfortunately, it's not going well-ish. I don't know, I got some out to the company who's copyrighted my stuff. Don't want to accidentally say their name and then get in trouble or something like that. But, sent a request for them to, and mentioned how we can coordinate, but that stalled. But haven't got a response on that yet. So yeah. Now, on to the video, because I probably had a time code for if you just wanted this. Alright, so a railgun. What is a railgun? Can you explain it in a few minutes? And the answer is yes. Now, a railgun is kind of interesting because it's out of physical, it's not exactly theoretical. It's quite real, actually. The US Navy's actually been working on a prototype, which will probably be here, and it probably will be like 2020 before it gets put on actual battleships, but yeah, this is a actual thing they're building. So yeah. Now, railguns have also been used in science fiction galore. Alright? Most science fiction universes have it. Halo has it. Stargate has it. Those two are going to be in there, in the description, along with more, because I literally probably can't name all of them with railguns in them. Alright? You know, the last one were O'Neill spheres. O'Neill spheres are fairly common, but not that. Aren't used in every sci-fi. But railguns are. In fact, I think the only two things that actually don't have railguns are Star Wars and Star Trek. Yeah, they don't actually have railguns, but getting a little off topic, so what is a railgun? Alright, now railguns shoot projectiles like normal guns, but instead of using gunpowder for the acceleration, or the only acceleration, it varies, but you shoot a projectile at a very high velocity. In fact, I'll probably have a link in the description to an interview done with the actual developers of a railgun for the US military. It's probably going to be in the description. It's either that or it's going to be in the recommended video section. But railgun. Now, and there's also going to be a link in the description to another video by a guy who actually made a homemade railgun. So, if you want to see the building process of one, go ahead. But, back to the actual thing. So railguns usually need a little force, so this can be a number of things, but they shoot projectiles at a number of speeds depending on the thing. So it's kind of like a bullet times 20, And they're good for puncturing holes and all that, and shooting annoying chickens, but... but yeah, that's essentially a railgun, a really simple one. That's why I had all the padding. But yeah, they use electromagnets to accelerate bullets. That's basically it. They're extremely simple. And if you want to, and a more specific thing, talking about Halo, which takes this, I think, to a new extreme. I don't think we've seen railguns of that size before. And those essentially accelerate giant rounds, which use the same practicality. And yeah, that's just like to their extreme in Halo, the Mac guns. So, you know, in Halo, the UNFC ships in Halo also have a spinal railgun, which... So yeah, railguns are actually really big in that universe. And in Stargate, weirdly enough, I think the only technology we can safely say the SGC hasn't run into are the railguns they have on their ships. So, yeah. So, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you around the channel.